Hi, I'm Moana Robinson from Be Styled for Life. I'm talking about the personal branding and style retreat which we are holding in the Whitsundays in May of 2023. I have with me Sumiko Ayres from Sumiko Photography. She's the posing coach and also the photographer at the retreat. Sumi, I know a lot of women have a lack of confidence in front of the camera. How do you give them that confidence so they really enjoy getting their photo taken?
Yes, I will tell you how to stand and how to look the camera and how to give your expression right, and you feel more confident. You know what to do in front of the camera, so that will give you confidence.
Wow, those tips will be so great. So if you've always wanted to be confident in front of the camera, book now because we have limited spaces.